Now, the final battle in the 2019 Digicel Grand Prix Athletics Championship will unfold when regional champions go head-to-head at the GC Foster Classic in Spanish Town tomorrow. Reigning champions Edwin Allen and Calabar will be looking to retain their titles. Shoshana McGowan looks ahead.
All eyes will be on the battle for the boys' title after Kingston College dethroned their great rivals Calabar at the corporate area development meet last weekend at the National Stadium. The North Street-based team, who was third at last year's staging, will look to overhaul current champions Calabar and last season's runners-up St. Jago. The 800 meters for Class 1 and 2, discus throw for Class 1 and 2, long jump Class 1 and the 4x400 meters relay are expected to have some fireworks on the boys' side. Meanwhile, Edwin Allen is poised to retain the girls' title, but should be challenged by Heidel, Homer Technical, St. Mary High, and Races, among others. The 200 meters for Class 1 and 2 featuring Kivona Davis of Edwin Allen. The 200 meters Class 3 and 4 with the exciting Tia Clayton of Edwin Allen, and the 800 meters for Class 1 and 2 featuring Petersfield's Shaquina Foot and Heidel's Sharioki Young are expected to attract most attraction. The winning schools will each be presented with checks valued at $1 million to go towards gym equipment or development of their training facilities. Saturday's grand finale will feature 35 events. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.